I'm Dylan, an instructor at Artech camps. I'll be going over the requirements to follow along with our Pixel Art workshop. On our webpage for the workshop, if you scroll down, you can find the list of requirements to follow along with the workshop. All of our workshops and camps use Zoom, and there's a separate tutorial video explaining how to set up an account for that. Now, for the Pixel Art workshop, we're using entirely web-based tools, which means you don't need to download anything, but you will need to create an account. For Fiscal, what we're using for this one, you can follow this link to the website and just sign in with a Google account if you have one already, or create a Google account and then sign in here. And that's all you'll need to set up for the Pixel Art workshop.